Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode in Gmail. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Gmail. So once you open Gmail, you simply need to click on this gear icon in the settings. Okay, so once you are here, you simply need to scroll and here you need to click on view all in theme. Scroll down again and here you can see dark. Click on that. So it will take few seconds and click on save. And now you can see your Gmail in dark mode. So this is the process by which you can enable dark mode in Gmail. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.